Hi everyone! Today we'll make these lovely fruit bookmarks that are beginner-friendly and a great way to practice your basic watercolor skills. In this video we are going to make peaches, watermelon, and blueberries, but if you want me to paint any other fruits, let me know in the comments section. So let's get started. But before actually painting, make sure that your sketch is light. As mine was a bit dark, I had to lighten it later. Now first apply cadmium yellow pale in the middle, and while that's still wet, add cadmium orange around it and blend them together. Finally, add slightly concentrated cadmium red pale towards the edges. Now do something similar here. First start with yellow. Then while it's still wet, add orange around it. And here, drop in a little red. For this top view slice, apply cadmium yellow pale to one side and cadmium orange to the other. And while it's still wet, add pale red towards one side and blend the colors. And on this edge, add a bit concentrated red. Then repeat the similar steps to complete rest of the peaches. Now make the leaves with sap and hooker's green. Let everything dry completely, then do another layer on these peaches. Apply clean water and add some pale red on this side. Then let it dry completely before applying more layers on it. And in the meanwhile, I'll darken these leaves. Then repeat adding more layers in a similar manner. That is, apply clean water on a dry surface for soft edges, and add any pigment you feel needs to be darkened. When these have fully dried, I'm adding more details with concentrated cadmium red pale by making short straight strokes. And with this, let's move on to our next bookmark. Start from the corner by making a curved edge with hooker's green, and make it lighter towards the inside. Then add lemon yellow here. Then do the same on this side. Now, apply clean water without touching this wet paint. Then do a layer of cadmium red here. And then add concentrated red in the middle. And soften this green a bit. Here I'm lifting this paint because I don't want it to mix with the green to make a muted brown. Now, let everything dry completely, then make the seeds. And as I wanted it to be quick, I'm using a black marker, but you can use any dark paint of your choice if you don't want to use markers. Now, let's move on to the next bookmark. So first prepare 2 mixes, ultramarine with Payne's Gray and Purple Lake with Payne's Gray. Now, for the first layer, start by applying the blue mixture, leaving a highlight on one side. And while the paint is still wet, drop in the purple mixture on the other side. Now, repeat this process for the rest of the blueberries. Now, let everything dry. Then enhance the dark areas with the concentrated version of the blue and purple mixture. And to do that, first apply clean water on each blueberry. Darken them from one side. And soften any of these edges. And repeat these steps for rest of them. And here I'm adding more pigment to represent the shadow. Now let this dry. And mix both colors to create a slightly more concentrated pigment. Then make small star shapes in different positions. And to fill the empty space, make leaves with sap green and add a few splatters if you like. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like my other painting tutorials, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.